I just wanted to take a moment and tell Blade and the Funnel Hackers team thank you. So I've been working with Blade for over the past 8 months. And over the past 8 months, my company has built into a company that's going to be able to generate multiple six figures this year. So for that, I am externally grateful, right? We've built processes in regard to the CRM, client management. I manage a credit repair company that we also help with student loans and business funding. So he's helped me wrap all of those things into one. And we've been able to generate a system that pretty much runs itself on auto. Anything that's not on auto, I'm able to manage from the comfort of my phone, which allows me to be remote at my business. That's why I actually quit my job. I didn't want to go to work, right? Don't mind work and just didn't want to go to work. So Blade has helped me with developing my SaaS system. So not only were we able to scale our business, we're able to help other credit repair companies scale their business, which has been huge. And he actually provides the support for all of that. So huge shout out to his team for over communicating. I am an over communicator. I definitely appreciate that. He is an over communicator. His team over communicates, and we actually get the job done so well together. We have a couple team meetings per week to make sure that we're all on the same page. And overall, everything is going exceptionally well. So if you are on the edge about wanting to work with the Funnel Hackers Labs team, go ahead and pull the trigger. You're going to make your investment back 10 times over, and you're not going to be up with headaches in regard to running your business because all the stuff that you're stressed out about your automations, he already has that on lock. His team already knows how to do that. So just tell him Mo sent you over. Later.